All right, so good day or good night once again, everybody. Today we're looking at scalar multiplication. And we're looking again, as I said, at exercise 20C for those just joining us. And we're going to look at number 1. And number 1 says, given that A equals 2, negative 3, 4, 1, and B equals negative 1, 5, 7, 3. And we're going to be looking at A, which says half A, B, 3B, and C, which says 2A plus B. So those are the questions we're going to be solving. So for the first one, it says half of A, and A is 2, negative 3, 4, 1, which means we're going to say a half times 2, a half times negative 3, a half times 4, and a half times 1, which will give us an answer. Let me bring it down a little bit. Which gives us an answer. A half of 2 is 1. A half of negative 3 is negative 3 halves. So we leave it as an improper fraction. A half of 4 is 2. And a half of 1 is simply a half. All right, so that will give us our first result. Any questions there, guys? So the next one, 1B says 3B. That's going to be 3 times negative 1, 5, 7, 3. So that's like saying 3 times negative 1, 3 times 5, 3 times 7, and 3 times 3, which will give us, well, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 3 is 9. So our answer for 3B is going to be negative 3, 15, 21, 9. So for C, it says 2A plus B. So we're going to have 2 times 2, negative 3, 4, 1, plus negative 1, 5, 7, 3. So we'll see 2 times 2, 2 times negative 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 1, plus negative 1, 5, 7, 3. So now I'm going to have to, after I multiply, I would add it. So 2 times 2 I know is 4, but I have to add the negative 1 that is in the first element. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, but I have to add it 5. 2 times 4 is 8, but I have to add it to the 7. And 2 times 1 is 2, but I have to add it to the 3, which will give me a final answer. Obviously, a positive times a negative is a negative, giving me 4 minus 1, which is 3, 5 minus 6, which is negative 1, 8 plus 7, which is 15, and 2 plus 3, which is 5. All right, so the answer of 2A plus B is 3, negative 1, 15, 5.